Hello everyone, in today's video on my YouTube channel we are going to talk about the symptoms of a bad or failed alternator in a car. An alternator is an electrical generator that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy in the form of alternating current. It is typically used in vehicles to charge the battery and power the electrical system while the engine is running. The alternator works by using a magnetic field and a rotating armature to produce an alternating current that is then rectified to direct current for use in the vehicle's electrical system. An alternator is a generator that provides power to keep your vehicle's battery charged. This is an important part of your vehicle, as it cannot run properly if the alternator fails. When you're driving, you'll want to stay alert for some of the warning signs that your vehicle's alternator may be faulty. Take a look at some of the warning signs below, so you can take care of the problem as soon as possible. 8 most common symptoms of a defective alternator. Number 1. Dim or flickering headlights. Your car's headlights must always shine at a consistent brightness. If you notice your vehicle's headlights are dim or change in brightness from dim to bright and back again, it's a warning that the alternator is not working as it should. Also, if your dashboard lights seem dimmer than usual, not enough power is being generated, and the problem could be caused by a bad alternator. Number 2. Your vehicle's battery is weak. If your battery is weak or has died and you had to jump-start it, the problem could be caused by a bad alternator. Check if the battery light on your dashboard is on. If not, it's probably the alternator. If the alternator is not working properly, power will be drawn directly from the battery. This will affect the life of the battery and cause it to die quicker. Number 3. Electrical problems. The alternator charges the electrical system, and one of the first signs is electrical failures. A faulty alternator may also cause the radio or other electrical components to work intermittently. When the electric windows or wipers are suddenly slower than usual, it is a sign that your alternator needs to be inspected by a qualified technician. Number 4. Strange sounds could be a failing alternator. While your vehicle could make various sounds for several reasons, certain noises can point to an alternator issue. Growling sounds, in particular, indicate a serious alternator problem due to a misalignment between your alternator's pulley and belt. You should take care of this problem immediately. Number 5. Warning lights are illuminated. When there is a problem with your alternator, the battery light on your dashboard will come on. With some vehicles, the alt will be illuminated. The lights are warnings and shouldn't be ignored. Ask a technician to inspect your vehicle as soon as possible. Number 6. You struggle to start your vehicle. When you try to start your car, and it turns over a few times or doesn't want to start at all, it could be a weak battery or a faulty alternator. The best cause of action is to schedule a service appointment so that a qualified technician can determine what is causing the problem. Number 7. Burning smell. When your alternator wears out from constant friction between the rubber and wires, it produces a burning smell. Given the proximity of your alternator to the engine, this burning smell can become overwhelming. When an alternator continually overworks, it forces excessive electricity through the wires, creating too much heat and melting the rubber. Heat-damaged wires pose a hazard because they overheat further each time you operate your vehicle. Number 8. Stalling or surging. A bad alternator can cause the engine to stall or surge, as it is not able to provide a consistent flow of electricity to the engine. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like it and leave a comment. If you are new to the channel, please click the subscribe button.